Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, my beautiful sisters. How are you all? Alhamdulillah, we are back again. Okay, we are back again. Alhamdulillah. I'm so sorry for the background noises. It's my kids. Alright, my beautiful sisters. Okay, please like and share. We are going to have our mega lucky draw today. We are going to have our mega lucky draw as usual. Every Sunday we have our mega lucky draw. Like and share. Hi K Kalisa, thank you for the like and share. Salam sis cantik, like and share. Dah baru habis makan pisang goreng teh tarik panas. Oh, sis Yahya tak makan dinner ke? Tak makan dinner ke? Sad Bayi is calling you. Use my phone, have my phone the number. Alright, my beautiful sisters, please like and share, like and share. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for coming back again to Faika Collection. Okay, thank you so much. Please like and share, like and share, like and share. Okay. Alright, I am going to show you all the blouse. This is the next blouse that I'm going to show you all for the day. This is the next blouse that I'm going to show you all for the day. Next blouse I'm going to show you all for the day. Okay, it has one pocket at the side. It has one pocket at the side. Okay. It has one pocket at the side. The material is stretchable. As usual, stretchable, super comfortable, super comfortable. Alright, I have two sizes in this. For this design, I got two. Thank you, sis Hatija. Thank you so much. For this design, I have got two sizes. Okay. Please, my sisters, please like and share. Please like and share. Because today we have our mega lucky draw. We have our mega lucky draw today. Thank you, Yaya. Abis continue shopping. Surina Tamsi, what are the size and colors available? I only got two sizes. One is 42 and one is 46. One is 42 and one is 46. PTP 42 is 53 cm without stretching. And PTP for 46 is 62 cm. Okay. Salam Ria. Welcome. Thank you Faranisha. Thank you. Alright, my beautiful sisters. These are the one. This is the one that I'm talking about. The blouse. Okay. I will show you all the colors. It's only going for $20. Only going for $20. Okay. Just now had two pockets. Now had one. Hi Fifi. Salam. Walaikum salam. How are you, sis Fifi? Thank you Ria for the like and share. Today we have our mega lucky draw. Okay, every Sunday we have our mega lucky draw. So please like and share to as much groups as possible. Please like and share to as many groups as possible. And please like and share to as many family members, friends as possible. Thank you so much. Okay, for this blouse, I only got two sizes. I got size 42 and 46. Two sizes only, 42 and 46. Super comfortable material. Show you all. Super comfortable. Super comfortable. Alright, it is very comfortable. It has only one pocket at the side here. It has only one pocket. Just now had two pockets. This one only have one pocket. Okay, I'll show you all the colors. Can I see the colors all? I'm wearing the other one. No need to show. Okay, we got 7 colors. Hi Anita. We've got 7 colors. Okay, pink, black, baby blue, olive. I'll just say blue, olive, baby blue, black and pink. And okay, the one that I'm wearing nude. The one that I'm wearing actually is brown. Brown. Not nude. Nude is lighter. This one is darker. Brown. Yes, Nurin. Round 2. Fight. Alright, my beautiful sisters. Safia. Assalamualaikum. Waalaikumsalam, sis Safia. How are you? Okay, round 2 like how Nurin said, round 2. Alright, so we've got a pocket at the side. It is super comfortable, super stretchy. Alright, I have only 2 sizes, size 42 and 46 only. Okay, the PTP is 53 53 and 46 is 62. You can stretch. One black size 46, one olive size 46. Okay, Yahya. One black and olive. That's why I tell Amjad bring here. Sis Yahya black and blue, black and olive. Black and olive Sis Yahya one. Anita PTP 58 confirm black PTP 58. That means you can start. Salam sis, what time is the mega lucky draw? I'm outside eating dinner with my Mr. Fiance. Hi, okay, Siti, later on towards the end. Today I'm gonna end earlier. Today I will end earlier because the kids need to go to school. I need to pack their school bags. Assalamualaikum sis, Rohani. Okay, sis saya Anita wants PTP 58 black. One is 53, one is 62. Okay, show colours. Okay, size 42 brown size 42 brown. Can exchange to another blouse. Okay, so sis Ria, round 2 start. All sis please join. Thank you. Alright, my beautiful sisters, sis Rohani Yusof, one size 42 brown. Size 42 brown. Okay, Ken. 42 brown. What size? I'm wearing the 46. I can wear the size 42 also. I can wear the size 42 as well. I'm wearing the size 46. Little easy for me to try on the colours. But I can fit the size 42. So if you are size 44, you can wear the size 42 also. I'm wearing the size 46. You can see it's quite big. I tell you to call Sat, but he keeps calling the phone. Okay, sis Surina, one black, one olive, size 46. One black, one olive. Huh? Black no more. That's why I tell. Black. Okay, sis Surina, black tak ada Any other colours? These are the colours These are the colours. Okay, baby blue, olive, blue, pink, black and brown. I'm wearing brown. Price is 20. Halifa, same. Where's the Bollywood star, Mr. Salman Khan? Mr. Salman Khan not here. Mr. Salman Khan today he take rest. Today he's not here. Thank you, Na Marlene. WhatsApp then. Thank you. Halifa 42 pink and brown. 42 pink and brown. Pink and brown.
Pink and brown.
Yeah. 42 black. Halifa 42 pink and brown.
Pink and brown Halifa mana?
Amjad, why you never show me the other colour?
Which color?
That colour.
Which color?
Yeah.
Where behind what? The trolley?
Amjad, that is not the pink Hey, where? There isn't any colour. What? Where's the pink? Give me that colour. Okay, sis, I've got another colour. I have got another colour. I'll call this lavender. Lavender. I told you. Okay, Nurin 42 and 46 black. Nurin, I don't have black 46, I don't have black, but I'll give you the 42 black Nurin. I give you the 42 black. Okay, Nurin 42, sorry sis. Okay, Nurin 42 get Assalamualaikum Zizi Khan. Okay, Nurin done. Next. Okay, I show the colour sis Melati. Salam sis, what is the sizes and PTP available? Sizes and PTP. How much? $20, sorry, not 22 $20, 2 sizes, 42 and 46. 42 and 46. PTP 53 cm and 62 cm. Okay, it can even stretch more. It can even stretch now. Size 42 and 46. Okay, sis Melati, can show the pink? Can. Okay, I have got pink. I have got lavender. Pink and lavender. Okay. Alright, my beautiful sisters. Yes, sis Fifi, your name is inside the mega lucky draw. Okay, pin down the please pin down the number. Surina. Okay, Surina pink Surina tadi. Surina. Okay, Surina pink Surina pink. Okay, can. Size 46 kan tadi? Alright, confirm. Okay, Anita, olive 48. Okay, Surina confirm next.
Olive all finished ready. Black.
Okay, olive no more sis Anita, olive no more.
Olive no
Thank you
black
sis
no more.
Marlene, thank you. We have quite a lot of designs sis Ria. Okay, Surina pink and olive 46 pink and olive 46. Okay, pink and olive done. Sis Surina done.
Surina one is 46 like olive.
Okay, Halifa 42 black. Sis Halifa 42 black.
42
Sis
black,
Halifa
okay.
42 black. Okay,
Another one.
there.
This one?
Yeah. Okay, Halifa got black Black last piece no more already. Yes.
3 Surina is 3 is it?
No. Okay, Halifa black. Can. Okay, confirm black and olive. Olive no more Lavender 42. Arman lavender 42. Arman done ready or not?
Arman?
Arman lavender 42. Not yet, right?
No, 42.
Got.
Pink is
Got. Oh, 46, 42. No more 42.
42.
Check there. Okay, sis Arman, I don't have 42 Lavender, I got no more. Okay, lavender 42, no more sis Rohani, no more. Thank you for the like and share. Thank you. Pink 20. Pink 46 Pink 46. Okay, pink 46 I got. Sis Razlin, please WhatsApp me. Oh yeah, you the WhatsApp already I saw. Okay.
Mariam?
ZLYN. Razlin done. Okay. Yes, sis, you get the pink and the olive sis, you get the pink and the olive. Okay.
Anita one don't have
Anita, no more olive sis, no more olive.
black she get.
Okay, next. 42 black. 42 no more black. 42 no more black. Okay, show me the colours got. Show me the colours got. All. Okay, I show you all what is the colours I got I show you all what is the mine 3-piece sis Halifa. Halifa, yours 3-piece is together with the previous one or what? Hi sis Habibah, hi. Thank you for the like and share. Thank you for the like and share. Okay, I show you all what I left I show you all what I left. That one is all 46
This is 46.
Okay. Alright, my beautiful sisters, 42 Any takers? 42. I start with 42 first. Olive. 42 olive. Just message whoever wants the size 42. Baby blue. Olive, baby blue. Pink. Blue. Brown. I got blue one more, baby blue one more, and olive one more. Size 42. Any takers for size 42? Any more takers for size 42? Any more takers for size 42? Any more takers size 42?
Arman never get.
No, sis Arman, I got no more already olive. Sorry, lavender. Lavender, I no more. Lavender, no more already. Who else got another lavender or not? Okay, 42.
Pink also, pink. Anita want pink.
Sis Razlin is yeah, just now you got your pink. You got any more takers size 42. Size 42. Size 42, any takers? Size 42, blue. Baby blue, pink, olive, and brown. Any takers? Size 42. Come on. It's selling fast, It's selling fast, my beautiful sisters. So please like and share. We got mega lucky draw later. Please help me like and share. Help me like and share, okay? Help me like and share. Okay, Hidayah Ismail, please WhatsApp 91019842 please WhatsApp. Hidayah brown and olive. Hidayah brown and olive. Hidayah. Okay, Nurin 42 Nurin. Okay, I give you Nurin 42. Okay, Nurin 42. Hi sis Naz Razak, how are you? Assalamualaikum, how are you? Hi Dila. Okay, going for $20 Going for $20. Rohani sis dapat tak? Rohani sis wait sis, I check for you sis.
This is Nureen Raita, I think.
Yeah. Sis Rohani, you got the brown one only sis. Rohani, you only got the brown one. You only got the brown one. Brown one.
Okay, Nureen Raita.
Sis Rohani, did you bid for the lavender one? Sis Rohani, did you bid for the lavender one? Thank you Rahman, thank you for the like and share. Assalamualaikum all Faika Collection family. Hi. Thank you. Cantik kan? Thank you for the like and share. Hang in the hanger clearer to show the colour. Because I got so limited stocks
Yeah, we will just samples only this one.
This one I just clearing it up. Alhamdulillah. Okay, sis Rohani, can you let me know if you order the lavender also? Okay, so sis Rohani, yours is brown and lavender only. Brown and lavender. The black tak dapat Okay, got two sizes, size 42 and 46. Size 42 and 46 Size 42 and size 42, this is size 42 and 46. Okay, size 42 is 53 cm and size 46 is 62. 42 is 53 cm, size 46 is 62 cm. Okay? Alright.
Just now you asked me 2 pieces now.
Alright, my beautiful sister Hidayah, you get Hidayah Ismail. Sis Hidayah, please WhatsApp me now Just say hi, I'm Hidayah. Okay? Sis Hidayah Ismail, just WhatsApp me. Alright, my beautiful sisters, like and share, right and share, right and share. Right and share. Not like and share, no. Right and share. Right and share. Alright, my beautiful sisters, please right and share, right and share.
Lavender 42. This one all 42.
Okay. Okay, Nas Razak, I show you size 42 Okay, Nas Razak, I show you all the size 42. Sis Arman, you did not get the lavender size 42. But I got the pink color one piece left. You want pink? Sis Arman, you want pink? I got pink color one piece left. You want? You just say yes, I keep for you. Lavender habis. I only want to order PTP size 58. Okay, sis Anita, you only got the black, sis Anita, because olive also I no more. Olive also I don't have already. Okay, these are the colours left. These are the colours. Okay. Baby blue and blue. Baby blue and blue. Size 42. Size 42. Baby blue and blue. Please like and share, like and share. Sis Arman, you want me to keep for you the pink? Sis Arman, you want me to keep? Just say a yes. I'll keep for you. Okay, I only got these 2 colors. Sis Nas Razak only got 2 colors. Okay, like and share, like and share. Like and share. Assalamualaikum everyone. Like and share to 8 groups done. Thank you Sis Zila. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you very much. Okay, can Sis Anita, if anyone pass the olive, I will give it to you. Okay, Sis Habibah, I will get to the 46 ah. Any more takers? 42. Any more takers? Any more takers? Only going for $20. Super stretchable ah. Super stretchable, very comfortable. Very, very comfortable. Can stretch ah. This one can stretch. Okay, can stretch ah. Can stretch. Alright. So 2 colors only ah. Baby blue, 42 baby blue. Okay, Sis Nas Razak. Alright, Sis Nas Razak 42 baby blue. Alright, any more takers? Any more takers? Later I will go on to the size 46. Later I will go on to the size 46. Size 46 ah. Sis Ria, later I will go to the size 46. Size 46. Assalamualaikum. Like and share done to public and 6 groups. Thank you Sis Rihanna. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Hi. Hi Sis Noor. How are you? Sis Zira, that one is 53. The PTP is 53. PTP is 53.
42.
Okay, Sis Arman confirm 42 blue color. Sis Dila 42. Okay, can. This is the pattern. This is what I'm wearing. This is the design. One pocket ah. One pocket. This is the design.
Okay, Arman, there is
Okay, Sis Dila Zakaria, blue color. Sis Dila. Yeah. Okay, any more takers? I got 2 pieces left only. 2 pieces left. Okay, 2 pieces left. Okay, please like and share, like and share. 2 piece. Super comfortable, super, super comfortable. This one, the PTP is 53.
Aisha Yusuf said you can see the pattern. You say
Yeah,
I'm
sure
wearing.
already.
You are wearing.
Yeah.
Just look at the
Let me just check. Okay, like and share, like and share, like and share. My beautiful sister said today got mega lucky draw. Today got mega lucky draw. Yeah, 53. Without stretching is 53, 54.
Until stretch part.
Okay, 53, 54 without stretching ah. 53, 54 without stretching. If you stretch can go up to 70. If you stretch can go up to 70. Okay, my beautiful sisters, I got 2 more colors left only. Okay, Nas Raza, 1 blue color. Okay, can. This one is yours, sis. Okay, 1 more baby blue. 1 more baby blue. Please WhatsApp me those just say hi and your order. Just say hi and your order 91019842. I hope I already replied everyone. Mami Zarina, please WhatsApp me. Mami Zarina. I think I got a few more sisters. Sis Asma, please WhatsApp me. If you are watching my live, please WhatsApp me. Okay. Alright, one more. Any takers? Baby blue. I will go on to the size 46. Okay, size 46. Size 46. These are the colors left. Brown. Okay, brown. Brown. Lavender, baby blue and blue. Brown, lavender, baby blue and blue Okay, the PTP I'll show you. Okay, the PTP I'll let you know. PTP confirm 46 blue. 46 blue. Okay. Alright. I confirm the PTP again.
Please, can you cancel the baju now? Can you cancel?
Okay, wait, let me check. Yeah, 62. 62. Can stretch up to 75. Can stretch up to 75. This one can stretch up to 75 cm. Okay, can stretch up to 75 cm.
Lavender 46 and baby blue 46. Lavender and baby blue.
Okay, confirm Sis Zana, confirm. Sis Zana confirm. Next. Alright, my beautiful sisters. Suraya Omar 46 Omar.
Sorry, Omar.
My darling sisters, please WhatsApp me, Please WhatsApp me. Okay. Just say hi. Just say hi. Hi, I'm Suraya Omar. Then I will say hello. How are you? Okay. Alright, like and share, my beautiful sisters. Like and share. Okay, I got four more colors. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 more colors. Okay, I have baby blue 2 piece. Baby blue 2 piece. Lavender 1 piece and blue 1 piece. Okay, my beautiful sisters, 4 pieces left. 4 pieces. Any takers? This one can super stretch one. Sis Melati, you want to get this or not? Super comfortable Sis Melati. Super comfortable. Can stretch up to 75 cm. Can stretch up to 75 cm. Really very comfortable one. Baby blue 2. Baby blue 2, lavender 1 and blue 1. Any more takers? Oh no. Baby blue 1. Baby blue 1. The another one is size 42. Another one is size 42. Okay, baby blue 1. Baby blue 1, 3 more pieces. 3 more. 3 more pieces. 3 more pieces Please WhatsApp me 91019842. Okay, sis Zila, did I reply you or not? It was 53 cm. I forgot. My memory now Alright, my beautiful sisters, please like and share. We are going to have our lucky draw later. Mega lucky draw. We've got beautiful prizes. Beautiful prizes to be won. Okay? Please like and share. Sis Ria, no, it's size 46, size 42 and 46. Suraya 46. Suraya 46. And lavender, confirm. Suraya. Alright, confirm sis. Yes, sis Anita, yours confirm ready. Sis Anita, yours confirm ready. The blue and black. Blue and black confirm
Once you confirm
Thank
ready,
you, sis
cannot
Anita.
cancel, cannot exchange
Sis Anita. That one yours is confirm Sis Anita, black and blue. Black and blue. Alright. Today got no mannequin today got later for the next baju. Today I become the mannequin. A walking mannequin. Today I am the mannequin Like and share done again for all lovely sisters. Thank you sis Ria. 2 more Any takers? 2 more. Any takers? Baby blue and blue. Baby blue and blue. Like and share. Okay, please like and share, my beautiful sisters. Like and share. Any more takers? Our blue.
As we promised, these 2 days on whatever, we are selling $2 before.
Yeah. So as I told you earlier, a few days ago in my live, whoever who have purchased from Faika collection in these past few days will be today, right? Today, right? Yeah, today.
Yesterday one and today one. Just now one.
Just now one today. That means today. So whoever who have waited Okay, whoever who have purchased today, right, for their purchases, $2 will be contributed to orphanage. Okay, so thank you so much, my beautiful sister. Whoever who have purchased from us today, $2 from your purchases will go to an orphanage. Okay, my beautiful sisters. So sambil we all shopping, sambil kita beramal. Sambil kita beramal, sambil kita shopping. Alright, we will what they call that, we will top up the other $1 because it's $3 per meal. So we will only take out $2 from your purchases, and then the other $1 we will top up to actually buy meals for the kids in the orphanage in Batam. Alright, my beautiful sisters. Alright, like I think you all have saw, right? I wrote a post in the Faika page. That was the previous one we did. So inshallah now we will be doing again since Hari Raya. I don't know whether it's before Hari Raya Haji or after Hari Raya Haji. We will actually do that. What they call that? The charity, charity. Sorry, lost for words. Alhamdulillah. Like sis Zarina, WhatsApp me, sis Zarina.
She WhatsApp, so later we will.
She WhatsApp already Okay, can later I read Okay, Alhamdulillah. I never concentrate on my guests. Seriously, watching your live get scolding. Don't miss tunic and long dress. Okay, okay. Thank you so much, Sis Anita. Thank you, thank you. Okay. I'm coming soon to the long dress and tunic. I'm coming soon. I got 2 more. Any takers? Any takers? 2 more. Size 46 and 42. 42, 46. Sis, good deeds always the best to help others. Yes. Yes, yes.
3 more, 3 more.
3 more. Alright, my beautiful sisters.
46 one. 46 2 and 42 one.
Okay, can. Alright, my beautiful sisters. We've got 3 more pieces. If not, then I'll go to the next thing. Semoga tambah rezeki lagi. Amin, amin, amin. Tell your guests to watch TV first. Okay, my beautiful sisters. Alright, like I said, $2 from whatever you have purchased today will be given to an orphanage in Batam. Inshallah, we will. I'm not sure whether we are doing it before Hari Raya Haji or we will do it after Hari Raya Haji, but the money will be sent there. What are we doing after Hari Raya Haji or before?
We will see that.
We will see, yeah.
If early, then
Yeah, if early we've got the payment all early, then we can do it, right? We can send it before Hari Raya Haji.
can see
Yeah.
all the phones or not.
Because usually bila Hari Raya Haji time, they will have the daging already, right?
Yeah.
They will have daging and all that. Salam Nas just now join. What have you showed before? Okay, I have only showed this one. The blouse that I'm wearing, I got only 2 sizes left. I got only this 3 piece left. The blouses that I'm wearing, I only got 3 piece left. Or join you watch live. Okay, these are the 3 piece left, size 42 and 46.
Yellow piece.
Okay, sis
We
Anita.
haven't start. We haven't start.
Always Striker collection number 1 on my list. Thank you, thank you. Okay, like I told you earlier, I'm selling these jeans palazzo. Now I'm wearing a different color. Now I'm wearing a different color. Show you. Okay. Oh, my favorite color long dress. Okay. Okay. Alright, my beautiful sisters, we will go on to our long dress, huh? Okay, if anyone want to buy the blouse, you can.
This is long blouse. That is long dress. Huh?
Okay, yeah. So let me just give you some info. Alright, for this one, how much? $20. $20. Sis Firdaus is $20 for this blouse, $20. Alright. So these are long blouse, tunic. Okay, and this is a long dress. This is the long dress and this is the long blouse. Okay? Yes. So I show you all the dress, huh? I show you all the dress first. This is the blouse. Okay, these are the colors that I've got for the blouses, huh? I go on with the dress first, huh? I go on with the dress first. Okay. Okay, so I have got this peach color. Peach, eggshell color. What they call this? Eggshell color. And then I've got this red one. I have got this baby blue one. And I also have got the black one. This one is what sizes, huh?
Size is 48. 44.
It comes in 3 sizes. Thank you, Maria Rabu. Okay. It comes in, no, 44?
48, 44, 40.
40 also got.
40.
I never take the PTP for 40.
You see display on have, I take.
Okay, I'm wearing the 44 for y'all. Okay, Sis Ria, the long dress. Okay, the long dress and the tunic. One is how much? 1 is 28. 2 is going for 50. 1 is 28. 2 going for 50. 1 is 28. 2 going for 50. My beautiful sisters, please like and share. Dah here. Can I get a pin?
Pin.
Okay, one is 28, two going for 50. Yeah. Okay, my beautiful sisters, please help me like and share, so I have to do a quick change. Alright. Okay, my beautiful sisters. Alright, this is what I'm wearing, the long dress. Okay, salam. Okay, Ken, Babi. Okay, I have got 3 sizes. I have got size 40, 44 and 40, 44 and
40, 44 and 48.
okay, 40, 44 and 48. Okay, 44 the PTP is 57. Papi, what size you want? 44 the PTP is 57. 48 the PTP is 60. The size 40, give me the PTP. Size 40 PTP. Size 40 PTP. I show you. I let you all know the size 40 PTP. Okay, behind got the zip is in the front. So it's nursing friendly. The zip is in the front. Okay, the design is such that the zip is in the front. Okay, so one is 28, 2 for 50. 128, 2 for 50. I'm wearing it. It's super beautiful. Super beautiful. 54. Okay, let me write it down. Give me the pen. Size 40, 54 cm. Size 40, 54 cm. Size 44, 57 cm. And size 48 is 60 cm.
44 is 58 cm.
58 cm.
Yeah.
44 is 58 cm. And then size 48, 60. Okay. Alright. Thank you for the like and share. Okay, 44 is 58. So Anita wants the black 44. Okay, salam all. Hi sis Bam Bam, how are you? Thank you for the like and share. Size 44 Pabi Wana. So
then Anita, 46 don't have this baju.
This one don't have 46 This one only 44.
44 black also one piece.
Thank you sis Mami Zarina. Thank you. Okay, so this one I'm wearing Okay, this one I'm wearing. I've got different colors I have got black. The one that I'm wearing black. Okay, I have got the red one at the back. The red one also super beautiful Red one also super beautiful. Then I have got this eggshell color, and I have got this baby blue.
48 black gone. One is Surya Umar and one is Abu Amir.
Okay. Sis Suraya, okay, confirm. Sis Ria, Abu Amir, confirm. Assalamualaikum. Hi sis Lady Hani, how are you? Okay, sis Anita, yours okay, confirm. Sis Zizi Khan, yours also confirm. Okay, the black one black one only left size 40, right? Black one only left size 40. Black one only left size 40. Please help me like and share, my beautiful sisters. Help me like and share. Okay, this is the black one that I'm wearing. Yeah. Okay. This is the black one that I'm wearing, okay? I left only size 40. Okay, I only left size, what they call that? Size 40. Black color size 40. This one cannot, blue color. I changed to a different color. Okay, I changed to a different color. Please, my beautiful sister, confirm the what they call that? Please like and share. Baby blue also confirm PTP. Okay. Sis Anita wants the baby blue.
Baby blue.
Yeah. What's it? And sis Lady Honey, I got size 40. Size 40 dia punya PTP dia is size 40 the PTP is 54. Lady Honey the PTP is
Anita
54.
one is done.
Sis Anita, yours done? Amjad. Okay. Sis Lady Honey eggshell lah, size 40. Okay. Amjad. Okay, this is the baby blue. I'm wearing the baby blue now. I am wearing the baby blue. Super beautiful lah. Super beautiful. So cute. So like baby. Thank you. I nak light blue long dress size 48, tunic yellow.
Light blue.
Sis light blue, sis Rohaida.
Means you wearing, right?
Yeah. And tunic yellow size 48.
That one is
Sis
different.
Rohaida, later I go on with the tunic. Sis, I confirm with your light blue. Hi sis Alisa. Hi sis Alisa Samad. Tunic, I will get to the tunic later. Sis Rohaida. Later you can comment for the tunic. This one is the baby blue color. Super sweet. Super sweet. I got 3 sizes, 40, 44 and 48, right? This one. 40, 44, 48. Okay, the dress is $128. You buy 2. You can choose between the tunic, right? Can choose between the tunic and the dress. You can choose between the tunic and the dress for $50. Okay, you can choose between the tunic and the dress for $50 only. So you can get one dress and one tunic.
Eggshell size 38.
Tak ada ribbon kat belakang. Tak ada ribbon. Tak ada ribbon. Tak ada ribbon. I pin it myself. I pin it myself. Tak ada ribbon There's no ribbon at the back. So you can just pin it up. It looks very beautiful Alright, my beautiful sisters. Super comfortable.